Here we go, 2024. This wasn't planned. I've just come here because I've got nothing else to do. Our first Pendo of the year, 390.040. So here we go. I've no camera today, so there not really any excuse for any sky pointing, is there? Anyway, 390.040. This begins 2024 on the channel. Next stop for this. I think you know the score by now, but for anyone new here, the next stop here is Preston. For anyone new, yeah. I quite often say what the next stop is. Of course, here there's not much point because pretty much everything bar the Northern Service stops next at Preston. A station I've had quite a few good sessions at over time. Remember when I stayed there last time, I went on the station at 11:30 at night. That was really good. Gotta go back to Preston at some time, and probably will do in the near future. Right, we ready? This is our first freight catch of 2024, and it sounds like it's flying as well. So we have a class 66. What's it gonna be? 66703. Doncaster, Leicester. That's the hand pole run. And now we're going to see something that has recently transferred here. A 4-car 331. So these used to be in Yorkshire. They used to do the Leeds Doncaster services and used to operate around Skipton. Nice to see them up here now, very much. 331-111. Went from rubbing shoulders with Azumas to rubbing shoulders with Pendos. Yeah, not bad. It went from platform 6 at 1 degree Doncaster to platform 4 at, let's face it, about 1 degree Wigan. It's probably not 1 degree, but it feels like it. Meanwhile, at Wallgate, you've got a 769 going in, and I'm not even going to attempt to read that number. But yeah, here we go, our first 331-1. So that's off to St Helens Central, Huyton, and then Liverpool Lime Street. You get 323s up here as well on the odd occasion these days. Can't wait to see that. And as well, meanwhile at Wallgate, once again got a 158. We're going to attempt to read the number. Or shall I attempt to read the number? It's 1588 something. Yeah. Good one on reading the number. So yeah, Happy New Year to anyone watching the video. Yeah, it's going to be a good one, hopefully. I don't tend to do much sessioning these days because, like I say, I've got quite a lot going on. Don't worry, it's all good. And I don't really get much time for this channel these days. But whenever I can, I'll make a video. Next week, I am going to do another Merseyrail send-off. Yeah. It kind of spoiled the surprise. A few weeks ago when I was at Chester, a few weeks ago there, I went to Beach, had a journey on a 777. I might put that up actually on the channel, my review of that, even though it's a bit quiet because, you know, you can't say too much. They're really quiet, them trains, and I don't want everyone to hear me talking about the seats of a 777 because, quite frankly, they don't find that thing very interesting. But got to Beach, and to my absolute surprise, yeah, 507 turned up. I didn't expect it, and you know, considering they're still running at Southport, which is where we're going sometime next week, I might as well consider that my finale. 2 more to catch now. Next up we have 331023. Bound for Blackpool North on the stopping service. Now should be the time. And there we go. Oh, nice one. Cheers, mate. That was nice. Legend. For the last move today in this very brief session, it will be 390.042. Heading to London Euston on the direct service. It's been 10 years this year since I first came onto this station. That is crazy. Crazy, but true. There it is. So in platform 6 as well, you've got 331019. Not going to have time to see that go out though, unfortunately. So off it goes. The final move of this brief session here at Wigan North Western, 390.042. And yeah, Happy New Year. Start of 2024, we've come to a familiar ground, Wigan North Western. Or as I'd say now, North West Train's got 390 out.